In this video, I'll show you how to link or connect your Descript account to your SquadCast.fm account. Now, you don't need to have a SquadCast.fm account, but if you have a Descript account or you're looking to get Descript so that you can use it to edit your audio podcast and video podcast, then getting a SquadCast account is going to be free when you have a Descript account, and this will make your recording of remote recordings or podcast super easy. Now, there are a couple of ways to do that at the time of recording this video, and this is in phase 1. In phase 2, the option to record or do this is going to be entirely in Descript, but for now, until the folks at Descript completely merge with the SquadCast team, you need to do it this way. So if you're on the home page, you need to be logged into your Descript account. You can click on New and then click on Remote Recording. If I click on this, it's going to give me this particular prompt. SquadCast is now Descript's remote recording studio. Connect to record with up to 9 others at no additional cost. So you can click on Connect to SquadCast, but I will not click on that. I want to go to the web version here, and I'll just click on Sign In to sign into my Descript account. And once I'm signed in, basically what should happen is I should get a prompt to kind of sign up on SquadCast. So let's click on New Remote Recording, and once I do that, I'll get the same option. Click on Connect to SquadCast, and once I do that, it's going to redirect me to SquadCast, and it should only take a couple of minutes. And so SquadCast by Descript, claim your free SquadCast benefit. Now, for this, you need to be a paying member of Descript to do all this. So you can record, edit in one place. Descript customers get SquadCast at no extra cost. SquadCast customers keep their accounts and link them to Descript at no extra cost. So this is really awesome. So I'll just enter my email and password so that I can create this account, and then agree with the terms and policies, and then click on Continue. Once I do that, it's going to set me up for SquadCast account. SquadCast is now part of Descript. In order to continue, you must sign in or create a Descript account. So I already have a Descript account. Click on that. It's redirecting to SquadCast. And then you're getting remote recording for free. SquadCast plus Descript. No extra cost. Everything in your Descript plan. A remote recording up to 10 people. That is 1 host and 9 guests. Main and backstage participants. High quality recordings with backups. Click on Redeem Offer, and you can select the drive that you want this to go to, or whatever organization for your SquadCast. So I'll click on Redeem Offer, and then let it load our data. It's claiming my drive. It should take a moment, so let's just give it a couple of seconds here, and you can now see that I've already linked. Your Descript drive has been linked to your SquadCast account, and this is really awesome, especially when you're creating remote recordings. So that is how you can link or connect your Descript account to a SquadCast account. Let's assume you're creating a new one, because that is what I was doing in this particular tutorial. So I hope this helps somebody out there to link or connect their Descript Storyboard account to their SquadCast account for remote video, podcast, or even interview recording. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.